What if you never had to leave a warm bed for a cold room again? Meet the world's most energy-efficient smart heater, saving you 75% on heating costs. Here's something no other plug-in heater can do. Just set your wake-up time. And optionally, set it to shut off for a quieter night's sleep. Keeps heating your room gently, then auto shuts off for a quiet night of deep sleep. Automatically starts 20 minutes before your alarm, turning icy mornings into cozy wake-ups. Your room is already nice and warm when your alarm goes off. No more freezing your way out from under the covers. Why waste energy on blind blasting? Our sensors auxiliated intelligent control system adjusts power in real time, keeping your room at exactly your set temperature. Perfect comfort at plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit precision, averaging just 150 watts. That's saving you 75% on energy costs compared to using dumb heaters. That's smart heating. Unlike many products on Kickstarter, this isn't a concept product or marketing hype. Here's actual overnight testing data from our bedrooms. Just 2.57 cents per hour. That's less than leaving a light bulb on. See how much it can help to save in your country over the winter. Here's something scary. 21,800 home fires from space heaters every year, just in America. We said, never again, and built 4 layers of protection to guard your family. Because warmth shouldn't come with worry. What if covered by a cloth accidentally? Overheat detected, instant shutdown, operation locked. Even if the fan completely fails, watch what happens. Our system detects, cools, shuts down, and locks, all automatically. Complete peace of mind. Smaller than your mini coffee maker, but powerful enough for any space. It is your perfect plug-in portable companion for bedrooms, studio, office, Airbnb, even RV, campground, or tent. The 270-degree rotating plug fits any awkward socket positions and angles. Available for US, UK, EU, Japan, and Australia. 5 intelligent modes adapt to your needs, day and night, winter and summer. Optional accessories for even more convenience. Version 1.0 was tested by over 1,000 users in the UK who loved it. Their feedback helped us create this enhanced 2.0 version, now perfected for you. Fully certified and patent-protected innovation. This winter, join thousands who've already discovered the secret to affordable warmth. Stop losing money to inefficient heating. Back us now and save $150 this winter alone.